Assalamu alaikum fellows, welcome to Learn with Nawaz. Today we will discuss the currencies, capitals, flags, official language and political map of the countries of American continent. It includes both North America and South America. So fellows, we will start our lecture in a clear way. It is very important to remember the currencies, capitals and flags and political maps of the country. As a political student, it is very important to remember all these terms. So we will start our lecture. First country is Suriname. The capital of Suriname is Paramaribo and official currency is a Surinamese dollar and its official language is Dutch. You can also watch the flag and political map of Suriname on the screen. Okay, the next country is Peru. The capital of Peru is Lima. Official language is Spanish and its currency is Sol. You can also watch the flag of Peru on the screen. Okay, the next country is Paraguay. The capital of Paraguay is Asuncion. Asuncion is the capital of Paraguay. Its official language is Spanish and Guarani and its currency is Guarani. The next country is Guyana. The capital is Guyana. The capital of Guyana is Georgetown. Official language is English and its currency is Guyanese dollar. Guyanese dollar is official currency. The next country is Ecuador. The capital is Quito. Official language is Spanish and its currency is United States dollar. And you can also watch the flag of Ecuador on the screen. The next country is Colombia. The capital of Colombia is Bogota. Bogota is the capital of Colombia. The official language is Spanish and its currency is a Colombian peso. Colombian peso is its official currency. You can also watch the flag of Colombia on the screen. The next country is Barbados. Barbados. Its capital is Bridgetown. Official language is English and its currency is Barbados dollar. Barbados dollar is currency. You can also watch the flag. The next country, Chile. Capital is Santiago. Official language is Spanish and its currency is Chilean peso. Chilean peso is the official currency of Chile. You can also watch the flag of Chile on the screen. The next country is Brazil. The capital of Brazil is Brasilia. Official language is Portuguese and currency is real. Real is the currency of Brazil and you can also watch the flag of Brazil on the screen. Okay, the next country is Bolivia. The capital of Bolivia is Buenos Aires. Official language is Spanish, Aymara, and its currency is Boliviano. Boliviano is the currency of Bolivia and you can also watch the flag of Bolivia on the screen. Okay, the next country is Argentina. The capital of Argentina is Buenos Aires, and its official language is Spanish. Its currency is Argentine peso. Argentine peso is the currency of Argentina. You can also watch the flag. United States of America, the Washington DC, its capital. Official language is English and the currency United States dollar. You can also watch the flag of America on the screen. It is very important to remember the flag of every state. The next country is Puerto Rico. Its currency is United States dollar and its language is Spanish and its capital is San Juan. San Juan is the capital of Puerto Rico. The next country is Panama. The capital of Panama is Panama City. Official language is Spanish and its currency is Balbo United States dollar. दोनों हैं Balbo and United States dollar. The next country is Nicaragua. The capital of Nicaragua is Managua. and official language is Spanish. Its currency is Cordoba. Cordoba is the official currency of Nicaragua. You can also watch the flag. The next country is Mexico. Mexico, the capital of Mexico is Mexico City. Its currency is a Mexican peso and official language is Spanish. You can also watch the flag of Mexico on the screen. Okay, the next country is Jamaica. The capital of Jamaica is Kingston. Official language is currency. Official language is English, and its currency is a Jamaican dollar. Jamaican dollar is the currency of Jamaica. Okay, you can also watch the flag of Jamaica on the screen. Next country is Honduras. Honduras. The capital of Honduras is Tegucigalpa. Tegucigalpa. Official language is Spanish. Its currency is Lempira. The next country is Haiti. The capital of Haiti is Port-au-Prince. Port-au-Prince. Official language is French and Haitian, and its currency is Gaudi. G-O-U-R-D. Gaudi. The next country is Costa Rica. The capital of Costa Rica is San Jose. Its currency is Colon. Its official language is Spanish. You can also watch the political map of Costa Rica. The next country is Bahamas. The capital of Bahamas is Nassau, and its currency is Bahamas dollar. Official language is English. You can also watch the flag of Bahamas on the screen. Okay, the next country is Guatemala. The capital of Guatemala is Guatemala City, and official language is Spanish, and its currency is Quetzals. Quetzal is the official currency of Guatemala. You can also watch the flag. The next country is Grenada. The capital of Grenada is St. George. Official language is English, and its currency is East Caribbean dollar. It's Caribbean dollar. You can also watch the flag. The next country is El Salvador. El Salvador. Its capital is San Salvador, and official language is Spanish, and its currency is a US dollar. You can also watch the flag of El Salvador on the screen. The next country is Dominican Republic. Capital is Santo Domingo. Official language is Spanish, and its currency is a peso. You can also watch the flag of Dominican Republic on the screen. The next country is Cuba. The capital of Cuba is Havana, and official language is Spanish, and its currency is peso. Cuba is famous because Cuban revolution of Fidel Castro and Che Guevara. The next country is Costa Rica. Its capital is San Jose. I think this is repeated. Official language is Spanish. Its currency is Colon. You can also watch the Costa Rica flag on the screen. The next country is Grand Cayman Island. Its capital is Georgetown, and its currency is not mentioned here. Sorry, you can find the currency of Grand Cayman. I think it's maybe dollar. The next country is Canada. The capital of Canada is Ottawa. It may be Ontario, and its official currency is Canadian dollar, and its languages is English and French. You can also watch the flag of Canada. Belize. The capital of Belize is Belmopan, and its official language is English and Spanish, and its currency is Belize dollar. Okay, you can also watch the flag of Belize on the screen. The next state is Antigua and Barbuda. Capital is St. John, John Jones, and official language is English, and its currency is East Caribbean dollar. East Caribbean dollar. And okay, the next country is Falkland. The capital of Falkland is Stanley, and its currency is a Falkland Island pound, and its currency, its official language is English and Spanish. Okay, fellow, if you liked our lecture, please share it with your fellows and like and subscribe my channel for my motivation. Inshallah, next lecture will come soon and will relate to these topics.